Hi, this is Deanna with First Party Financial, and I'm here with Mo with JLB Insurance, and we're going to talk about some important things with homeowners insurance and hopefully answer some questions that first-time home buyers might have. What kind of insurance do homeowners need?
So your mortgage company or your lender will require that you have insurance, typically, and the type of insurance that you need is a liability policy and something to cover perils in case something happens to the actual structure of your home. Anybody that purchases a home, whether it's a standard stick-built house, a condo, manufactured home, will need this type of coverage.
Okay. And should it play a role in what type of house they buy?
Absolutely. Your insurance premiums will vary based on the location of your home and the accessibility to a fire department, a fire hydrant, whether or not the fire department is a volunteer department or a paid department will all play a factor. There is something called a clue report that you can get on a home that will let you know if there have been any insurance claims on that home, so you may know that something has happened in the past with that house.
Okay. And how much coverage do I need?
Your coverage will vary based on the cost to rebuild your home. And often when people are purchasing a home, especially in this market, the prices are very, very low. But the price that you may buy a home for is not necessarily the price that it's going to cost to rebuild that home in case of fire. So
it could cost more to rebuild the house more than what I paid for it.
Exactly.
Okay.
And you don't want to pay $190,000 for a house that's going to cost you $300,000 and insure it for $190,000 if it's going to cost you $300,000 to actually rebuild that house to the way that you found it.
Right. And how should I choose my deductible?
With homeowners insurance, you want a higher deductible. Most companies would encourage you to have something like $1,000. If you can afford to do $2,500 for your deductible, that's good as well. If you have up to $2,500 in the bank that you can just make small repairs, because you're not going to want to turn in small claims on your homeowner's insurance. You're going to want to fix the little things.
Is it important to include your auto insurance with your homeowner's insurance? Why would that be a good thing to do?
Often companies will give you a discount if you have your auto insurance and your homeowner's insurance bundled together.
Okay. And what kind of discounts can I get?
You can actually get all kinds of discounts, just depending on the profession that you're in, the safety of your home, if you have deadbolt locks, if you have fire extinguishers, if you have smoke detectors, which aren't expensive things, but you could save 5 to 10% on your insurance if you have those things.
That is good. So what's the difference between an insurance broker and an insurance agent?
Typically, an insurance agent is representing one company, and an insurance broker is representing the client and using many companies to choose the best coverage and best policy for that client.
And what kind of insurance? Are you an agent or a broker?
We are a broker at JLB Insurance Services. So we have 16 different companies, and we typically run a policy through 4 different companies to find the best price and coverage for you.
Nice. So if you need to know any more information about homeowners insurance or have any questions about any other insurance, because you also do auto.
We do everything, everything. Auto, home, life, and health.
Okay.
And commercial as well.
So, and your website's insurancemommy.com?
Yeah, insurancemommy.com.